Hi, good morning, dear students. In the last classes, we had seen the chapter diversity and discrimination. Diversity and discrimination. So, in the first chapter, we had studied that. So, diversity means the various cultural people. Various cultural people. So, they may be belonging to different religion, different region, different language, different food culture, different accent style. So and they are belonging to different race. So race means belonging to the different color scheme. A skin of the color that we had studied in the first chapter. In the second chapter itself is diversity and discrimination. Diversity and discrimination. How this diversity is also the reason for the discrimination. So we have seen that. So for the discrimination, our mentality is also one reason. So in that mentality or in our thinking style or in our nature, we had understood that prejudice. What is that? Prejudice. So we will be prejudiced about particular religion, region, whatever the aspects of diversity I told. See, here I will write aspects of diversity. So which are those? Religion, region, language, language asset. So these are all what? Aspects. So we can write food style. Dressing style. So these are all aspects of diversity. So which aspect? These are all. So diversity aspects. So when we are prejudiced, so we may think negatively about the people. Prejudice means what? Thinking negatively about the people. So we may be thinking negatively about any one of these diverse aspects and these diversity aspects. So we may be negative on the particular religion people. So thinking negatively about the particular region people. So we may be thinking negatively about a particular language people, about particular accent speakers, and particularly about the food style they are maintaining and about the dressing sense they have. So we may be thinking negatively about any one of these diversity aspects. And another we have seen is stereotypes. Stereotype. So here we understood that. So what we are fixing certain people in a particular work. So we think that they are fit to that work. So if they are coming out of that work, so we are again forcing them to be in that work. So for that we have seen examples. Is it right? So we are creating a stereotypes and also we are making the people to be in that particular work. So if they are coming out, we are saying that they are unfit for that work. For example, girls, we have seen this, right? So we made them, we created the situation, we created a theory that the girls should be inside of the kitchen itself. So that's why what we made when she comes out, so we will be stereotyped. So what we will say, you are a girl, you should not come outside. So be inside of the kitchen and cook the food for your family members. That is what we say. So here what we are doing, we are stereotyping. So stereotyping means fixing the girls to be inside of the kitchen. So like that again we can be stereotyped among the diversity aspects of diversity. So we may be fixing particular religion people to the particular work. So whenever they are trying to come out, so we are not letting them to come. So because the theory or the atmosphere stereotype created among us. Same the region people, the language people, accent people, and different food style people and different dressing style people. So after that we have studied prejudice and stereotype. So this prejudice and stereotypeness may be and any one thing of this diversity aspect. Any one thing of this diversity aspect. So because of this prejudice and stereotype, we are going to discriminate the people. So what we are going to do? We are going to discriminate. So when are we going to discriminate? So when we are prejudiced. Stereotype. So when we are prejudiced or stereotyped. So when I told, so when we are prejudiced or stereotyped, so we will do the discrimination. That means so we are not giving them chance, we are not letting them to do the things differently. To do the things differently or to come out from the particular thing that is assigned or that is stereotyped about the particular aspects of this diversity. So another kind of a discrimination is on the basis of diversity. On the basis of diversity also we are discriminating. How we are discriminating? So we had seen that the story of Samir Ek and Samir Do. So in that, so we had seen so many kinds of differences. Among that, the diversity aspect is also one kind of a difference. That is, they are belonging to different religion. So sometimes what we will do? So because of their religion, so you know that religion means they have their separate traditions, customs, festivals, celebration and theory. So they had their own. So when other religion people thinks that, so my religion is superior than their religion and the customs and traditions they are following is inferior. So that is not up to the mark. So then what I will do? I will discriminate them. I will discriminate them. So whenever they are coming out of their situations, I will say that, see, your custom is not good, so don't come with us. So your custom is not good, so I don't give you the teacher post. So your custom is not up to the mark, so you are from inferior custom or practices are from the inferior religion. So that's why I don't give you a job in my company. So if I say like that, so then what I am doing? I am doing a discrimination file. So on the basis of diversity also the discrimination is taking place. So another kind of discrimination is inequality. So in this inequality, rich and poor. So you know that, yeah, you know that about rich and poor, is it right? The most known discrimination is on the basis of rich and poor people. For example, just imagine we are going to the hotel. So one is well dressed, he is a rich person. Another one is poor dressed. So the dress is dirty because he is a poor. So the hotel person whom he will treat very well. So he will call and he will invite the person who is well dressed. That means the rich person, not the poor. So if the poor person is coming into the hotel, he will send them out. So otherwise, if he enters also, so he will not treat them lightly, means with happily or with joyfully or with respectfully. Is it right? He will treat them like somebody who came to beg. So even he ready to pay the money, so you don't treat them very well. Is it right? This is also the discrimination we are going to do with the basis of inequality. So that inequality discrimination is rich people is discriminating the poor people. That's why we should not discriminate anyone on these basis. So some other terms on the basis of both diversity and inequality. So on the basis of diversity and inequality, the people are going to do discrimination. For example, tribal people. So tribal people, you know that their language is different. So that is also one aspect of the diversity. And their culture is different. So their worshipping is different. So their language accent is different. Their food style is different, and their dressing style is different. So in tribal people only we can see that So all the aspects of the diversity. So their religion may be belonging to the country religion, so but their worship is different. So their gods and goddesses are different. So their diversity, that is they are diverse banners, and also they are poor. They are poor means they have not adapted to the lifestyle of the village people, not to the lifestyle of the city people also. They don't have the money, so there is a bargain or barter system. So they will give some goods and they will take whatever they needed. So that's why whenever the tribal people are passing, what we will do? So we will discriminate. So even if there is a poor people, at least we will talk with them. At least we will talk with them. So if there is a tribal people, so even we don't talk with them. So whenever they are coming to talk with us, or when they are coming near us, so we will go in another way. Otherwise we will turn our face like that, so as if we have not observed them. So this is also the discrimination. So the discrimination takes place, so when you are prejudiced or when you are stereotyped. So discrimination takes place, so when there is a diversity, it is good and beautiful for our life, but on this diversity also the discrimination is taking place, and on the basis of inequality, sometimes only both diversity and inequality. So these are the things that we had studied in previous class. So now let us study on being discriminated against. So and in textbook they have given one study. So in the page number 18 here they have given, after that you can read that. So common stereotype about the Muslim. So stereotype means what, or stereotype means what? Fixing the people for a particular thing. So like that about the Muslims also, they have one stereotypeness or stereotype, that is the Muslim community people don't send their girls to the school. That is stereotype. So stereotype means we don't know actually whether all the Muslim community people are like that. So whether they don't like to send their child to the school. But this is common stereotype. So we fixed ourselves, before knowing them, we fixed ourselves that the Muslim community people don't send their child to the school. So but reality is not that. So about this, the government made to study why they are not sending their girls to the study or girls to the education or girls to the school. So one thing came to know that, so that is not their religion. So because they are poor, that is the reason why they are not sending their girl child to the school. So that is the matter came to know. So if they overcome from the poor or from the poverty, they will send their girl child to the school. But that is the reason why they are not sending girls, and if they send to the school also, they will drop out for 2 to 3 years. They don't go for the higher studies. So that is the reason. So came to know from the studies. So one practical example or the live example that is achieved in Kerala. So you know that Kerala is one state where the literacy rate means educated people are more in the population. That state is Kerala. So in Kerala, the government bus facility is very good. So they are well connected. So that's why the government teachers and also the government schools is not very far from the area where they are living. So it's very easy to reach to the students as well to the teachers, because there is a convenience or there is a connection to the school to the village with the government bus facility. So that's why all the Muslim community, including the Muslim communities and other communities, are sending both boys and girls to the school. So by this, what can we understand? We can understand that, so this is not their religion, this is not the Muslim religion or Islamity that making them not to send the school, not to send the girls to the school, but it is the poverty. What is that? Poverty. So here also